Welcome back to Gorgeous Graphs. In this video, we explore the impact of inflation on long-term investing when making regular monthly contributions. Our scenario begins with an initial investment of $10,000. With $300 added every month for 40 years, the assumed annual return is 7%, and we compare three cases with different inflation rates: 2%, 4%, and 6%. The red curve represents the portfolio with the lowest inflation rate, 2%. The blue curve shows the outcome with 4% inflation, and the green curve reflects the steep challenge of 6% inflation. As the animation plays, you'll notice all three lines rise steadily, but their separation grows wider over time. This widening gap represents the erosion of your future purchasing power. Even though the nominal growth might appear strong, higher inflation significantly reduces the real value of your portfolio. With 2% inflation, the final buying power is much greater than in the higher inflation scenarios. At 6% inflation, the real gains are far smaller, despite identical investment and return assumptions. This highlights an important truth. Inflation is a silent force that can undermine decades of disciplined saving and investing. By adjusting your expectations and strategies for inflation, you can make better decisions to protect your wealth. As you watch this graph develop, focus on how much difference a few percentage points of inflation can make over a long time horizon. This is why long-term planning should always consider inflation, not just nominal returns. Let's see the curves take shape. The curves